and welcome to another edition of Stacey Says. I couldn't be more excited to be sharing some great news with you guys today. If you have gotten the Lean and Green cookbook, you know what a tried and true resource it is for you to be able to make low carb foods, whether you're on Optavia, 5-in-1, if you've transitioned, if you're on Weight Watchers, if you're doing an HCG diet. I know we've helped over 10,000 people to be able to make a better meal and live a better life because of this. So with all those copies sold over the years, we've gotten a lot of feedback about the cookbook. And as it turns out, one of the banes of your existence is the table of contents that's in here. Now, I will tell you, when I originally put the book together, we just put all of the recipes together. And as I explained in the beginning of the book, the thought was, all right, it's up to you to go through, look at all the recipes, decide which ones you like, which ones you want to make first, and then organize them in the cookbook. It's a 3-ring binder here so that you can add things to it. And again, really organize this the way that you like. Some people decide to do all the leans, all the greens, some do the main dishes, some do the side dishes, some like to put all the chicken recipes together, all the pork recipes together, like whatever works for you. And I never wanted to make that decision for you. I wanted to let everybody to do that themselves. But with the table of contents we have in here, it's just all the recipes listed. And everybody was like, can we come up with a different way to be able to organize it? So with the new edition of the cookbook, we actually put in all the recipes by genre, category, protein source. So they're in here by all the chicken recipes, all the beef recipes, etc. So great, right? But what do you do if you already have the cookbook? Well, I've put together actually sheets that you can download, and I'm going to put the link below so that you can print them out at home. They're designed to fit right into your cookbook, so you can take them, cut it in half, 3-hole punch them and put them right in here, so it makes it a little bit easier for you to find some of your favorite recipes. And that's all based on reader feedback. So I want to say thank you, not only to those of you who have gotten the book, but to those of you who have provided such valuable feedback. And also thank you, because we found a few typos in here in a few places, so we got those taken care of. And I just want you to know how much your feedback means to me and that I listen. So these updates that are going in the brand new book are as a result of your viewer demands. So I'm happy to make them happen. I'm also happy to announce that one of the other things that's gone into the book this time around are Weight Watchers points. So a lot of you say, okay, great that we've got the nutritional information, but quick help me, what are the Weight Watchers points? So we use the newest Weight Watchers calculator and put the points in here as well. Now, in the not too distant future, in the next week or so, I'm also going to be putting together a list that you can download that has the updated nutritional information and the updated Weight Watchers points in there as well. Not ready just yet, and I promise I'll let you know when it happens. But in the meantime, click the link below, download the new table of contents so that you can put it in your book, and you can keep the old one in there, throw it away, whatever you'd like. But it's a free resource for you, again, to help you make a better meal and live a better life. All right, that's all for today. The new edition of the book, I've been holding it sideways. The new edition of the book will be out in September. And again, it's no different than the one that you may already have, so don't think you have to buy a new book. It's just gonna have updated nutritional information, Weight Watchers points, and the new table of contents, all of which you can download for free by clicking the link below. All right, now I know a lot of you health coaches have purchased this book for your clients. So please, please, please forward this message today or this video today so that they know that they can get the downloads and the updates as well. Again, just one more way. I hope you make a better meal and live a better life. I think I've already said that's all for today, and I rambled on more, so I'm gonna say that's all for today again. Have a great, great Monday. Go make some killer recipes and definitely download your updates now. Bye.